where the sun beats down. The hills are working, no time to frown. Bitter melon grows in the summer heat. Eggplant and tomatoes make the day come through. We plant the seeds and watch them rise under the blue and open skies. Riding the Carabao before it's noon, singing with the earth, we hum a tune. The soil is rich, the air is sweet, rhythm of life beneath our feet.
Careful,
Hands in the dirt, hearts full of pride. Together we thrive, side by side. We plant the seeds and watch them rise under the blue and open sky. Riding the Carabao before it's noon, singing with the earth, we hum a tune. The sun may scorch, but we don't care. The farm is love, it's everywhere. Laughter echoes through the trees. Carabao pays.
Oh, that's your house? Okay. Ah.
The day winds down, the harvest done. We rest our heads beneath the setting sun.
That's straight from the ground.
Family farm,
We can show at the church.
a
Isn't that
story to
drinkable?
tell.
It's straight from the ground.
A life we
See,
cherish,
you can show at the
a
church.
life lived
Yeah.
well.
Alright, man, there's no place.
Don't waste water. Oh, welcome to our house. Welcome to my house naman naman. Welcome to my house.
It's nice. Nice and cool.
Klaro talon di konti nga, kalabaw.
The sun beats down on fields of gold, a story of the days of old. Barefoot dreams on dusty ground, where freedom's spirit can be found. Riding the Carabao, slow and free. The world is vast as far as I see. Through rivers wide and skies so blue, the journey's life and life is true. The leather reins worn by my hand, a silent bond with this great land. The grass sways soft, the trees bow